Flaps as required. Apopka traffic, Cherokee 979 Charlie entering the 45 for right downwind runway 15, Apopka.
We're Archer.
Cherokee Archer.
Cherokee Archer. What traffic there is low, no factor.
Okay. Number.
Let's do a normal landing first.
Hey, now there is an antenna over here.
Right here, right now.
See it?
Yeah, I see it.
Below us, right?
Below us, yep.
Apopka traffic, Archer 979 Charlie, right base, runway 5, Apopka. Apopka traffic, Archer 979 Charlie, half mile final, run 5, Apopka. I estimate.
Yeah. We can do touch and go if you feel comfortable. We cannot land here.
Right, I understand. I know that.
Okay.
I was just flaring. Okay, mixture full rich, let's go.
Yep.
Yeah, no, I wasn't touching down, I was just flaring.
Oh yeah, I saw we're so like very close. I'm like.
Okay, so we're 150 feet, so about 700. Begin the crosswind.
700, yeah. So.
Apopka traffic, Skyhawk.
Yeah, it's 300 below traffic pattern.
Bravo. Takeoff. 15 southbound.
Apopka traffic, Archer 979 Charlie, right crosswind, runway 15 landing, Apopka. 130 degrees of bank.
Yeah.
I'm too much.
Going around runway 23 to back.
passenger traffic. Skyline 203 is turning base to runway 23, passenger traffic.
Apopka traffic, Archer 979 Charlie, right, entering the right downwind for runway 15 Apopka. Listen, may breathe again.
And on your comms, you can also include what are you doing if you're doing a full stop or a touch and go.
Yeah, good idea. So what are we gonna do?
So let's do a short fill on the numbers.
Okay. Apopka traffic, Cherokee. I'm sorry, Archer 979 Charlie, right downwind runway 15 for a short field landing.
Passenger traffic, Cherokee 3023 Tango, right crosswind runway 23, full stop.
Apopka traffic, Archer 979 Charlie, right base for runway 15, short field landing, Apopka. Apopka traffic, Cherokee, Archer 979 Charlie, short